Financial freedom. It's a dream for many of us, a vision of a life unburdened by financial stress. Imagine a life where money is no longer a constant worry, where you can focus on what truly matters. You can pursue your passions without financial constraints, whether it's art, music, or exploring the great outdoors. You have the means to live life on your own terms, enjoying experiences and creating memories. This dream can become a reality through the power of investment, a tool that can transform your financial landscape. Investing is not just for the wealthy, it's accessible to everyone willing to learn and take action. It's the key to building wealth over time, a gradual process that rewards patience and consistency. It's about taking control of your finances and creating a brighter future for yourself and your loved ones. It's a journey that begins with a single step, a commitment to change and growth. You don't need a windfall of cash to get started. Small, consistent efforts can lead to significant results. You just need a plan and the discipline to stick to it, a roadmap to guide your financial decisions. Every dollar you invest is a step towards a more secure financial future, a future where you have the freedom to choose. Are you ready to take control of your finances and start your journey towards financial freedom? Let's explore how you can achieve financial freedom through smart investing, making informed choices that pave the way to your dreams. Think of investing like planting a seed. It all begins with a small, seemingly insignificant action. You start with something small and nurture it over time, giving it the care and attention it needs to thrive. You water it, give it sunlight, and watch it grow. Each day it gets a little stronger and a little bigger. Investing works the same way. It requires patience, diligence, and a long-term perspective. You start with an initial investment, no matter how small. This is your seed money. Then you consistently add to it over time, just like you would regularly water a plant. This consistent investment, like regular watering, is what fuels growth. It's the steady, ongoing effort that makes the difference. Time is your greatest asset in investing. The longer you give your investments to grow, the more they can flourish. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Starting young gives you a significant advantage. The power of compounding allows your returns to generate even more returns. It's like a snowball effect for your money. Don't underestimate the power of consistent small investments. They add up over time and can lead to substantial growth. Over time, these small contributions can blossom into a substantial financial portfolio, much like a garden in full bloom. Just like a tiny seed can grow into a mighty tree, your investments can flourish with patience and dedication. With the right care, your financial seed can grow into something truly remarkable. Don't let the thought of needing large sums of money deter you from investing. You can start small and watch your investments grow over time. The key is to start somewhere. Even if you can only invest a small amount each month, it will add up over time. The most important thing is to develop the habit of investing regularly. Think of it like building a house. You start with one brick at a time. Each brick represents a small, manageable investment. Over time, these small contributions create a solid foundation for your financial future. Remember, even small steps forward can lead to significant financial progress. Start investing today, no matter how small the amount, and watch your financial dreams come to fruition. There are various investment options available, each with its own risk and reward profile. Let's explore some of the most common ones. Savings accounts are a safe and accessible option, but they offer low returns. Stocks offer higher potential returns but come with higher risk. Bonds are less risky than stocks and provide regular interest payments. Digital platforms have made investing more accessible than ever. You can invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, and other assets with just a few clicks. It's important to research and understand the risks associated with each investment option. Diversifying your portfolio across different asset classes can help mitigate risk. Section 5. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. You've probably heard the saying, "Don't put all your eggs in one basket." It's a timeless piece of advice that applies to many areas of life, but it's especially crucial when it comes to investing. This is especially true in investing. Putting all your money into a single investment can be incredibly risky. Diversification means spreading your investments across different asset classes. This could include stocks, bonds, real estate, and other types of assets. This reduces the risk of losing all your money if one investment performs poorly. For example, if the stock market crashes, your other investments might still hold their value. Think of it like building a strong house. A well-built house relies on a variety of materials to ensure its strength and durability. You wouldn't use just one type of material, would you? Using only wood or only concrete would make the structure weak and vulnerable. You'd use a combination of wood, concrete, and steel to create a sturdy structure. Each material has its own strengths and weaknesses, but together they form a solid foundation. Similarly, a diversified investment portfolio should include a mix of stocks, bonds, and other assets. This mix helps to balance risk and reward. This strategy helps to protect your investments and maximize your potential for returns. Over time, a diversified portfolio can provide more stable and consistent growth. Remember, diversification is key to minimizing risk and building a resilient investment portfolio. By spreading your investments, you can weather financial storms and achieve your long-term financial goals. Section 6. Building wealth through real estate. Real estate has long been a popular investment option. It offers the potential for both income and appreciation. You can generate rental income from properties while benefiting from rising property values. However, investing in physical real estate can be capital-intensive and require significant management. REITs offer a more accessible way to invest in real estate. REITs are companies that own and operate income-producing real estate properties. Investing in REITs allows you to participate in the real estate market without the hassles of property management. Whether you choose physical real estate or REITs, investing in real estate can be a valuable addition to your investment portfolio. Section 7. Your journey to financial independence starts today. Embarking on the journey to financial freedom through investment is an empowering decision. It's about taking control of your financial future and creating a life of abundance and security. Remember, the power to achieve financial freedom is within your reach. Start small, stay consistent, and never underestimate the power of compounding. Your future self will thank you for taking that first step today. Investing is not just about accumulating wealth, it's about achieving peace of mind. It's about knowing that you have the resources to weather any storm and live life on your own terms. Take that first step towards financial independence today. The rewards are well worth the effort. Section 8. Share the gift of financial knowledge. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to finances. Share this valuable information with your friends and family. Help them understand the importance of investing and empower them to take control of their financial futures. Like and share this content to spread the message of financial literacy. Together, we can create a world where everyone has the opportunity to achieve financial freedom. Let's work together to make a difference in the lives of others. Share this information and empower someone you care about to start their own journey towards financial independence.